Maya is an amazing place for watching wildlife up close, paddleboarding, kayaking, fishing and much more. Did you know each dolphin has a unique dorsal fin to all the others?
Shark Bay. Layla, what have you got to tell us about Shark Bay?
There's a shark and it's massive.
At Monkey Maya, you can also see dugongs if you're on a boat trip. In the town of Denham, 20 minutes away from Monkey Maya, they also had a pretty cool playground that we enjoyed playing on. And Monkey Maya isn't only home to amazing sea animals, but amazing land animals too, including emus. I think that Monkey Maya has been one of our favourite places so far.